Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sky High Mascara. I know I'm late to the game, but that's fine. Okay, we can be late, we can be fashionably late, everything's fine. So we're going to review it. Let's get started. I'm a little bit nervous because this is a very watery formula, it looks like, and my lashes love a thick, smudgy formula. So we're gonna see how this works. Oat, obviously nothing, and then this. I know why the girls were up in arms about this mascara now, and it took me a whole year, and some change to figure this out. But look at that. It truly is, because I was so skeptical about this wand because it's so it's so thin and the formula is so water. It does leave some residue on the back of your eyelid, but honestly I have yet to find a mascara that doesn't do that, so I am shocked and amazed. We're shocked. All right, folks, this is the mascara. I applied some to the bottom, and then I have just one layer on the top. And as you can see, it is, I mean, look at that volume. That's pretty, they truly are sky high. Look, that is pretty amazing. Let's say that this mascara does dry really quickly, so if you want to add more layers, you need to do it immediately. You can't do something else with your makeup and then come back because it's going to be dry. But I think I honestly don't think you really even need 2 layers with this mascara. It's so lengthening and voluminizing, and I was so surprised because the wand didn't seem like it was gonna she was gonna give, okay? But she gave everything and more. So I love the way it turned out. I think it looks really pretty. But yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'm making videos every week.